Hi friends, I'm Tiana Nobile, Kid Smart teaching artist and arts coach, and today I'm going to show you how to make an accordion book comic strip at home. All you need is scissors, glue, and paper. First, you fold your paper in half long ways. Some of you might say like a hot dog. Now cut along the folded line so you have two sheets. Glue the two sheets together at the edge so you have one long, skinny piece of paper. Once the glue has dried, fold it in half and then crease in the middle. Then fold each end in the opposite direction to meet in the middle. One side. And that's the other side. Now look, you have an accordion book. If you want to make it longer, you can cut more strips and simply add it to the end to extend it. So you'll just glue again and then do the same process over. Now, what's a comic strip? A comic strip is a sequence of drawings in boxes that tell a story. Here's an example from Calvin and Hobbes. See how each box or panel captures a single frozen moment or scene, and when you read them together in a sequence, it tells a story. Do you believe in fate? You mean that our lives are predestined? Yeah, that the things we do are inevitable? What a scary thought. So this is an example of a comic strip. So what could you make a comic strip about? Here's one idea. What's something you've been doing while you've been at home? Something I've been spending a lot of time on is puzzles. So I thought, what would it be like if there was a place called Puzzletown? And this inspired my comic, The Mayor of Puzzletown. This might be backwards for you, but I'll still show you. The first panel, it says, "Welcome to Puzzletown. Make all your puzzling dreams come true in Puzzletown. Solve every baffling riddle. Pose new perplexing quandaries. We have something for everyone." I stopped there, but I could keep going and adding to my story in my accordion book. That's one idea. Think about something you've been doing while you've been at home and make a town out of it. But you can make a comic about anything you want. The comic artist Jillian Tamaki put out a really helpful resource about how to make comics and how to add on to them. Let me show you. So these are some ideas for practicing comics. Images of faces, how to use emojis, how to make movement, word bubbles, and some templates for different panels. So I'll include the link to that resource below, but now you have it. Go ahead, be creative, make your own accordion book comic strip, and let me know how it goes.